Komiteh Hanamdar Min Mirzalar. Dear ladies and gentlemen, today, Americans all around the world are celebrating the 4th of July, our Independence Day. Normally, this is a time we get together with family and friends, enjoy barbecue, play games and sports, and watch parades and fireworks celebrating this quintessential American holiday. But as this video demonstrates, much of our world has changed in the last few months. From the way we work, to how we interact with each other, to how we travel, or how we celebrate our holidays, COVID-19 has profoundly affected all of our lives. Coinciding with this global crisis in the United States, we are seeing an unprecedented number of marches and protests in support of the Black Lives Matter movement. Ordinary citizens are peacefully demonstrating to seek reforms and changes from their elected representatives. Just as our founding fathers envisioned, they are exercising their civic duty and constitutionally protected right to assemble and express their views over an issue that we have struggled with since our founding, the realization of full equality of rights for all of our citizens. We are a nation that profoundly believes in our founding documents, including the famous words of the preamble of our Constitution. We, the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union. And because of those words, I am optimistic. We are a nation that recognizes its imperfections, and we constantly strive to form a more perfect union. And I am also proud to represent my country in the Republic of Kazakhstan, our strategic partner. This is a relationship that has only strengthened and deepened since Kazakhstan's independence 29 years ago. This is also a relationship that reflects the many shared values between our peoples. So today, on the day of the independence of the United States, I want to wish all my Kazakhstani and American friends health, prosperity, and most importantly, solidarity. We will overcome our current challenges, and we will grow stronger together because of them. Thank you, and happy 4th of July. Bugün akşam tavsiyelisizdiği konu.